I'm going to walk you through the feature set in our new product, AIOps for Next-Gen Firewall. AIOps for Next-Gen Firewall redefines firewall operational experience by predicting, interpreting, and resolving problems before they impact you. It leverages ML-powered insights to avoid preventable disruptions while improving your overall security, thereby helping you maximize security and minimize downtime. Let's take a look at the product. New users of the product are brought to the summary page where you can see the overall health of all the devices in your network and the most critical risk that needs your attention from a health and a security perspective. You will also see how good your deployment is doing from a health and a security angle. This overall grade is the roll-up of the grades of the individual devices. This gives you an assessment into how secure your configuration is and how well you're adhering to Palo Alto Networks' recommended best practices. The section at the bottom is a set of insights that are good to know that may help in improving the efficiency of your network security operations. Let's follow the alert that the product has highlighted for us as the alert to investigate first. We are taken to the alerts list view that has already filtered this alert out for me. Notice that the alerts list view also shows the details from a health and a security perspective. The alerts can be grouped along various dimensions that allow me to recognize and understand the scale and prevalence of the issue across the entire deployment. Let's check out the alert that the product flagged as the first alert to investigate. I see this is a critical alert of high processing activity. Clicking on the alert takes me to the alerts details page. I can see from the contributing events that this is a forecasted alert. This means if nothing is done about it, we run the risk of running into performance issues. We can give you proactive alerts up to 7 days in advance. You can drill into the details of the metric that generated this alert. And even see related metrics that the product has flagged to better understand the issue and hopefully resolve the issue faster. You can even plot these metrics along a synchronized timeline. The product also provides you recommendations, either in the form of step-by-step guidelines or CLI commands on the security side that you can run on the PanOS CLI or Panorama CLI to remediate the issue. The same alerting framework also helps address any security misconfigurations or gaps. For example, if you have not applied a decryption profile properly or incorrectly set up a URL filtering profile for credential phishing. We support out-of-the-box notification rules that can be configured in this settings area. The user can create rules to get notified when an alert is created by specifying the conditions that the alert has to meet for them to get the notification. At this time, we support email notifications and an integration with ServiceNow. Other customizations and settings are available in this area, such as user preferences to change between a light and a dark mode. The product encourages exploration and discovery in the Insights tab. Here as well, you can see how well the deployment is doing from both a health and a security perspective. Users can understand how well they are doing across the deployment by grouping along various dimensions. The darker circles are the ones that I would look at first, as this has the most number of critical alerts. I can even drill into the firewalls that are of most interest to me. Here on the right, I see a summarized view of all the alerts associated with this device. This can act as a launchpad to the alerts list view to learn more about the alerts. Or you could learn more about the device itself from the device's details view. If you have a subscription to Cortex Data Lake logging service, we provide a log viewer to view the logs in there. The AIOps for Next-Gen Firewall also provides interactive dashboards and reporting capabilities to get an understanding of your traffic patterns, user activity, and how effectively your security services are performing in your environment. AIOps for Next-Gen Firewall relies on your telemetry data from hardware firewalls, software firewalls, the VM series, and our management platform, Panorama. I encourage you to try and evaluate the product for free and check our webpage and technical documentation for more information. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.